Okay, here's this 87 Dodge. I just bought this thing. It's my truck. Yeah, the box sides had some big rust holes. You'll notice in my pictures I'm going to add to this video. And I cut them out and then I made my own patches. Well, the patches were 50 bucks each for both sides, plus 10 bucks each for shipping. So there's 120 bucks. Well, it took me about a day and a half to make them, but 120 bucks. Well, work is kind of slow right now, so I have the time. Kind of dark on this side, but here you can see I got this side bondoed up. I got the lights off on this side, but yeah, it's not looking too bad. I'll add a picture when I'm gonna after I get some primer and some paint on. So what I'm gonna try to do here, I'm gonna try to paint below this line, the style line here, and then because it's my own truck, the colors won't match when I do that very good. But like I say, you know, it's my truck. What the heck, you know, and I'm pretty cheap when it's my own, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put a rocker in here too. Yeah, it's all, I don't know if my camera will pick it up. It's pretty dark down here. But yeah, I'm gonna put this patch in here. This one goes, I'm gonna spot weld this in here somehow. And you know, something like that. And because like I say, it's pretty rotten, and then I gotta drain some of that out, and then I made this patch for the rockers too, where it's all rotted out here. That goes like that. I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna cut all that old rotten crap out and weld that in there, and yeah, it shouldn't be too tough. It's got some more rust in there too. It's got one there, and got a little bit by the bumper there, and yeah, it's got kind of a pain in the neck. You gotta take the chrome off to fix this rust on here, and that's kind of a pain in the neck. Them screws are usually really rusty and dirty job and crap falling out, but oh well.